technology stocks or PSU stocks? What do you prefer?
Actually, like both the groups, but right now I'm more invested in PSU stocks.
You want to leave wealth for your next generation, or you prefer they earn it on their own?
I think we should leave something for them because they should know their grandfather, but not so much that they don't want to do anything with their lives. So I would hope they would have productive lives and would also have that ambition to earn money because it's the ambition of a young man, and it should be the ambition of a young man to earn his wealth, to see how he stacks up in the world. So hopefully we'll give a lot of philanthropy, but also leave some for the grandchildren.
Gold or real estate, the asset class that you prefer, apart from equities, of course?
Probably real estate. Gold is, Sonia, inflation last year was a 40 years high, 8%. Gold was down 10%.
Yeah.
I mean, that tells you something that people have moved on from gold.
Ramesh, Warren Buffett or Peter Lynch, which investment thesis you will follow, or investment style you will follow?
I get up in the morning and look at Warren Buffett's photograph probably,
Exactly.
so
Yeah.
that's your answer.
And your big investment bet for 2030?
If you remain invested, you will compound money. And I think that's what I always try to do. I mean, I always tell the young people who come to me is that you want to try and double your money every 3 years. And if you do that, you're going to be rich at the end of the 30-year period that we're talking about. So the investment call is the same. Remain the same, buy great businesses, and you're playing a long ball. You might have more fun trying to hit it out for a 6, but the people who really make wealth compound it over long periods of time.
And all of us have regrets, right? But what is your biggest life regret?
My biggest life regret, Sonia, is very simple. People call me veteran investor, old investor. My other friends are called billionaire investors. And I wish I was a billionaire. And I mean that in the nicest sense of the term. I don't mean that I need more money. I don't. But money is how you measure success in the financial markets. And the opportunity was there for me. I'm not saying that if there wasn't the opportunity. The markets have been extraordinary. The index is up 1,000x, whatever. So the opportunity was there for me. And it was, I think, perhaps my own upbringing or my middle-class background that I didn't make it to the level of some of my friends. But I hope my son does. Hopefully teach the new generation that you also need the magic, like Rakesh, of thinking big. He was income taxpayer's commissioner's son. He started with 5,000 rupees. He made $5 billion. It's a compound rate of 70%. We both saw the same stocks. His dream, his ambition, his fire was much bigger than mine. And I sometimes regret that I didn't have that kind of fire.